Hi friends, it's Miss Jillian and I'm doing another quick tutorial. If you go to our website, morleylibrary.org, there are several tabs up here. We're going to go to Children, and there is down here TumbleBooks. And TumbleBooks is really cool. They have several sections: new books, health and hygiene, quick reads, favorite stories, read-alongs, all kinds of fun things. Some of my favorite are the storybooks. These are just picture books and things like that. It has lots of different categories. And then there's read-alongs, and I really like those because, for example, this is a Nancy During the Clue Crew. If you click on Read Online, it reads for you.
Chapter 1. Guess what? Wow, Nancy, George Fane said as she raced down the school steps.
So it reads, and as it's reading, it highlights the section that it's reading. So that's a really nice touch. So that's the read-alongs, and they have a pretty decent amount of those. And then there's nonfiction, a lot of animal books, history, geography, science, biographies, bugs. So those are some really neat nonfiction. I really also like the videos. They have several National Geographic videos, just short segments. I'll show you baby elephants, for example. Play video. So they have, wonderful, as you can see, nonfiction videos. They have language learning, Spanish or French, playlists, and so this, you could create a playlist for your children of, books under 10 minutes, several minutes. So that's really neat. They have puzzles and games. Something I thought was really cool, if you hit playlist, you can actually make a playlist of several of the books so that your children can have a good selection of books. So they have, their index here of all that they have. Favorites, so you can select your favorites. How to contact us and everything. So that is TumbleBooks. So hopefully you guys can find a book that you all really like using our TumbleBooks, which of course is a free library service that we provide. I hope you're having a good day, friends. Bye.